it will be shared to all of you afterwards. So Joanna, I'm going to go on mute now and I will leave you the room, and I hope you all enjoy. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much, Cesar. Thank you. So, good morning. Здравствуйте, guten Morgen, dobre rano. I think that's far I can go with pronunciation of the languages that represent our precious audience today. As Cesar mentioned, my name is Joanna Franczak, and I am the Channel Operations Manager here in Dublin office. Well, for the moment, it's my home office, and I'm delighted to be your host and presenter today, promote the Channel Partner Accreditation Program. But to be honest, I would be way happier, and I hope you all too, if I could do this presentation in person during our regional EMEA sales training that each year actually is scheduled around this time in March. But well, let's imagine we are somewhere in Budapest, Düsseldorf, Berlin, or Bratislava. So let me also welcome your channel managers, Dimitar and Kasia, who have chosen you, and I would like to emphasize you for this first phase of accreditation program launch, as they have recognized in you big potential. So hello Kasia and hello Dimitar. First problem, slide doesn't go.
Hello.
Yeah,
If you need to talk, please, there's a button to unmute yourself in the room. You should all have it available. Please let me know in case you don't.
it's just a sec. This what we were practicing yesterday, Cesar.
Hi,
It
good
just
morning,
happened.
everybody.
Ah, there you go.
This is Dimitar. Hi. Thank you, Joanna. This was a great introduction, and very happy to be here in this webinar. Very happy to start these initiatives with you. It's very important for the future of the channel and how our new program will be rolled out very soon. You'll be aware. So everything is connected. Please listen carefully. Some of you have already done the partner training accreditation. We are talking about something similar here. Joanna will tell us what is the difference. It's much lighter. It's much more less demanding than the training partner version. So let's get this done. It will be very important for us in the future.
Okay, now it's working. So I just stop sharing and share again. So what do we have today on the agenda? I will be talking about program overview, a process of implementing the accreditation. If I'm lucky, I will be doing short demo. I hope I will
Hey,
not.
Joanna, sorry. I don't know if you're sharing, but we cannot see anything right now.
Oh, okay. I was sharing. I was hoping I'm sharing. So let me share again. Can you see
Okay,
now?
now, yes.
Okay, let me go to the presentation mode again. So agenda, accreditation program overview, process of implementing the accreditation. I hope I will be more lucky with the demo. We will have some time for questions and answers. And in this moment, I would like to recognize and give a credit to Francisco Diogo, who actually presented the proposal of this accreditation program during the sales training, if you might recall, in Dublin in 2019. So yes, I know it has been 2 years now, but eventually we have it. First of all, let's define what accreditation means. According to the Oxford Dictionary, accreditation is the action or process of officially recognizing someone as having a particular status or being qualified to perform a particular activity. So being qualified to perform a particular activity. So why an accreditation program? Many of Bentley products and services are pretty complex. So it seems obvious that a deep knowledge of our offerings is an absolute must for a successful sales. This includes understanding the software benefits, proper applications of the same, identifying the appropriate target audience, and the best methods for selling and servicing the product. It is impossible for us to have experts for every product in every country, so we want to encourage you as channel partners to have your own applications engineers. By becoming accredited, you will gain a competitive advantage. So having training that your competitors don't have it can set you apart from pursuing new business. The Bentley Accreditation Program for channel partners can also differentiate you from other vendors in your area, showing that you have a demonstrated commitment and understanding and excelling in Bentley technologies. The time and effort invested in professional accreditation often results in increased sales. By gaining new updated information and techniques, you can better promote, connect the latest edition of our software and increase your abilities. This can help you get the skills and confidence to promote, to demo, to sell, to train a newer, better and more software products. And there's also increasing number of companies and government organizations that when working with independent resellers, they want or sometimes they might even require to engage with those who have accreditations from recognized companies. So accreditation demonstrates your commitment to superior expertise, up-to-date standards, and continue learning. Those assets can help you boost your professional credibility and prestige when pursuing new businesses opportunities and bidding for contracts. We all do well with accreditations. So let me explain from the channel partner company as an employer. By showing the skills to master Bentley offerings, your channel partner company becomes more relevant to your clients, plus differentiates and accelerates your business in the competitive marketplace. Accreditation also serves as evidence of skills and abilities required to comply with users' specific needs. It also offers a method for bringing employees up to speed on the latest technologies and a way to provide continuing education. For the channel partner on individual level, so some of you as employee, research has shown that accredited employees are more satisfied and more productive than the non-accredited content parts because it builds their confidence and enhance motivation. For Bentley, accreditation is very important to us. It's our way of assuring our users that partners are fully prepared to sell and support our products. And on the end user levels, accreditation gives users additional evidence of your qualification for the services at hand. So especially for non-technical clients, they found this reassuring. So what's the plan? We designed this accreditation program to be simple and achievable. We have just 4 steps. So the first step will be to comply with all prerequisites. So proven experience is needed. And I would like to emphasize that your channel manager will qualify you for enrolling into this program. So myself, I will be in the contact with channel managers that appoint particular channel partner to be accredited. So you have been chosen for this first phase since they've seen potential in you. The second step would be submit a request to be accredited. So what I mean by that is to create an account in accreditation matrix. This is located in our Cloud for Channel platform. And third step would be completed recommended training courses on our Bentley Learn. So this will be module 1. And the last module is pass on the online assessment in accreditation matrix. So prerequisites, what is expected. So this will be the discussion between you and channel manager. So what we expect is, in order to qualify for accreditation, there are some requirements. And by this, I mean a university or college degree in the area of the software you are being accredited. So for example, architect for open buildings, or structural engineer for stats, and so on. In lack of that, you will need 4 years of proven experience in the field. 2 of those have to be in our product. Or if you don't have any of those qualifications, on case by case basis, we can review and resource qualities. And very important note is that one person can be accredited for maximum of 2 brands. Advantages. So summarizing, when you think what are the advantages of this accreditation program for you? You will gain market and peer recognition with a nice logo you can use on your website, business cards. Of course, you need to clarify for which product you are accredited. People associate accreditation with credibility. So earning more will impact the way the prospect and users see you. You will also set yourself aside from the competition. You will be invited. I will do my best to product release presentations that until now they were reserved only for Bentley products. And accreditation can help your bottom line. There's plenty of studies out there that find out that revenue increases for accredited companies was significantly higher, and that from that were not accredited. And with the new 2021 channel partner program, by the way, I can reveal to you that next year we will be announcing officially, this will be announced by Michael Induni, our Senior Director for Channel Programs, and you will have a possibility to gain an additional compensation for domain expertise. This will be one of the topics of your discussion with your channel managers. So that would summarize the accreditation program overview. So maybe I will go over to Dimitar. What do you think about this accreditation program, and how you would be talking with your selected partners about this initiative?
Yeah, thank you, John. This is really very important, and you guys are the selected one, so to say, the first one who will be given this opportunity. Everything Joanna said is absolutely true. You can set yourself apart from anybody else. You gain credibility. You become a distinctive partner in that field. And of course, it will be tied to our strategic program and direction we are going. So in the past, we were talking about authorizations in a very loose format. Now this will be starting to be very tied down to accreditations. If you're a product specialist, if you have a product specialist on board and he covers this accreditation, it will be much easier to get authorizations for additional brands. It will be much easier to prove you have the resources to get this additional compensation that will be announced next week. And it will be much easier for you to do business with Bentley. So I have seen already a couple of partners posting on social media their badges for Bentley training partner from Bentley Institute. And they are very proud of that. And you see partners who resell other vendors, not only Bentley, they also showcase their Microsoft, their Oracle, or whatever badge they have, because this is really something that is a proof, a valid official proof of your competence. Of course, the work you do is the most important and it's what matters. But in order to win new business, this is kind of the mark that could set you apart and could give you advantage. And I think the budgets, what we have prepared, is really well designed. It's really kind of standing out. And it's something that I think we should be also considering to display on the website on the partner section, which
Yes,
is long due to be.
Dimitar, I will be talking about this
Okay, okay,
later on. Yes, I didn't
very
share the
good.
images. Thank you very much, Dimitar.
Thanks, Joanna. Back to you.
Kasia, I don't see the audience. I'm not too sure if the Russian partners were able to join the uh, the webinar.
Hi, Joanna. Hello, everyone. So thank you very much for this presentation. And we have a few people joining today from Russia as well. And I think that everybody cannot wait to start this program that we have been promising for over 2 years.
Exactly. Thanks very much, Kasia. So initial scope, as you know, we have hundreds of products and would be impossible to offer accreditations for all of them at once. So we will gradually be increasing the product in the list for 2019. For the first go, we will include those 9 products. For the moment, I'm still working with the product managers for Synchro and Orbit, but your channel managers choose, I would say, MicroStation, open buildings, and context capture from the audience that you are on webinar now. Process will be very simple. So let's check if I would be lucky to log to Cloud for Channel. So first you would need to log to Cloud for Channel, and under important links, Cesar, can we see the Cloud for Channel platform?
Yes, yes, you can.
So under important links, you have seen for some time this lonely technical accreditation tile that was forever and ever in progress and coming soon. So well, officially we have it now, technical accreditation tile. You just click on that. It will bring you directly to the portal. So let me go back to the presentation now. Can you see my PowerPoint again, Cesar?
Yes, there's a metro there, or a train.
Exactly. Yes, so once the accreditation, the technical accreditation tile is selected, you will go directly to accreditation portal. The first you will need to be invited, so I will be sending you the invitation to join the platform, and you would be asked to create a simple account. Secondly, an admin will share with you an access code, and this will be me. And with this access code, you can create this simple account. That's the way it's going to look like. And since this platform is used by many business holders, I would like to emphasize that how important is it for you to fill the channel partner details and channel manager name so we can track it for the reporting purpose. Once you create an account, you will see similar dashboard. I have an admin role, so therefore my view is slightly different than you will have it. On the left-hand side, you will see the catalog and courses. On the top right bar, you will see icons which you can click to access your messages, notifications that you will receive from the system, calendar, help center, and search function, and adjust your profile. So when I will be doing demo, I can show you in more details. Enrolling in courses. So after selecting the appropriate course, you will be asked to enter the access code provided by me, and you can enroll it. So once you confirm this course, you would be enrolled into the accreditation. So getting started with the accreditation, after enrolling in the appropriate course, you will see 2 modules, just 2. Prerequisite completion confirmation module and assessment module. Those modules are area of the course is where the where its primary content is located. And to see the details of it, you just need to simply click on it. So the first module, the mandatory module, you will be asked to complete the relevant online courses on Bentley Learn. So those courses have been selected by project managers. Once you complete them, important part, you will take a short survey just to confirm, yes, I swear I completed those courses on Bentley Learn and I'm ready to take an assessment. So only after completion this first module, the second module will be unlocked. So second module is the assessment itself. You will receive several automated notifications after completing each module. So I gave an example, like let's say you are enrolled now in course MicroStation assessment. Module MicroStation assessment is unlocked. So when you complete the courses on Bentley Learn, the assessment will be unlocked. Once you do the assessment, another notification, very important, is you have completed the course MicroStation assessment, your final grade was, and the percentage will be given. That's our grading scale. Out of 100%, for us to be accredited for the particular branch in Channel Partner Accreditation Program, you will be required to achieve at least 80%. So the total number of the attempts for the entire assessment is 3. I can tell you I try myself MicroStation, and unfortunately I didn't pass it, but I reached I think 37% without seeing even MicroStation platform and not having any knowledge of it. You have 3 attempts. If you start the second attempt when you're not happy maybe with your grade, you want to reach 100%, the questions are pulled, so you won't be able to receive exactly the same question. So let's say we have 300 questions for MicroStation, and each time you will get different set of questions. So Bentley official accreditation, once the assessment is successfully passed, you will receive an official Bentley accreditation email, a web-enabled badge that you can share via various social media platforms or add the badge to an email signature. And we will also upload the accreditation badge on channel partner websites. So accreditations are Bentley official endorsements of your skills. And yesterday I was lucky to receive the first logos. So I would like to share with you, designed by our marketing team. I really like them. I think the selection of colors is very nice, navy blue and green representing Bentley. So once the assessment is passed, you will receive an invitation for this official confirmation of the badge. So if you upload, let's say on LinkedIn, and one user would like to check it, if this badge is really valid, it will bring them with this link to official Bentley website that confirms this employee, this person has passed the accreditation. So if you have any question, now is the time to ask me, and I would be glad to answer them. You can unmute yourself. Cesar, are there any questions or?
No, not at the moment, but yeah, they can unmute themselves as well if it's easier.
Yeah, maybe
can
it's easier
hear
to
from you as well.
unmute instead of typing here.
This is Dimitar here. So I just want to add to my partners, if you kind of feel like you have any challenge or issues with the accreditation, I mean not administrative, but if you feel like you don't understand the value or the purpose of it, please feel in touch with me. I know you have a lot of very high profile people in your organizations that have been working and showing best achievements in the fields we are asking you to be accredited, but take it as a sign of recognition. This is not going to take too much of your time. This is not going to be really a time wasting, because we also want to hear from you how this could be helpful for the purpose of the program, and do you think there is a room of improvement how we can make this better? Of course, we have limited capacity what to add and to adjust, but I think if you understand the strategic direction, accreditation is something that stays with the person who is accredited, and it's a proof of his competence and something to showcase, something to add value to that person as well, not only to the organization and to your business. So I think the value there is clear. It's just if the content of the format, you have suggestions, reach out to me, reach out to the other channel managers, and we will discuss how we can improve that.
Correct. Thank you very much, Dimitar. Okay, so if there's no further questions, after Cesar will send the presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out to me via email, and I would be really happy. We can even schedule the call one-to-one if it's needed. I would like to close with the note that to be accredited when you already have a knowledge, maybe some of you are already accredited training partners. So this, I am not familiar with details about the accreditation for the training partner, but this is very similar if you already from the Bentley Institute. I think there would be no issue for you to pass this accreditation and be officially accredited. So good luck to you if you decide to take a part in this initiative. Thank you very much, everybody, and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Joanna, for the presentation and all the partners. I will be sharing this recording anyway, and if by any chance you have any questions, just don't hesitate to contact me at any point as well. And we will be posting this together with all of our webinars recordings on our Marketing Resource Center. So I hope to see you on our next session, which are next week. So have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.